to another video by the Econ Opinion. Today's video is just a small short video that on an article I found from BNN Bloomberg. This video is just highlighting these comments by RBC's CEO, Adam McKay. And as you know, RBC is the biggest company in Canada by market capitalization, and of course one of the most reputable banks in Canada as well as across North America and internationally as well. So Adam McKay had some strong words about the path Canada is on, as well as the need for tax reform. The words he says is that we're definitely on the wrong path. Chief Executive Officer Dave McKay said Tuesday during a question and answer session at an event in Toronto. McKay didn't criticize the Prime Minister by name, but said the country has adopted a less competitive tax structure that's harmful to entrepreneurial risk-taking. In June, the government decreased the tax rate on capital gains for businesses. The government increased the tax rate on capital gains for businesses and for individuals over a certain threshold, a move that's expected to generate tens of billions of dollars in tax revenue over the several years to come, but which drew condemnation from business groups. In my opinion, the condemnation is right. Justin Trudeau wants to get a quick tax dollar out of the pockets of Canadians, and while doing that, he's risking losing Canada's top talent and losing Canadians' employment to the United States. What I mean by that is educated talent in Canada that comes out of our universities. They're going to the United States for more lucrative opportunities. And this is honestly a very, very serious and bad issue for Canada. It's already been a thing that's been happening, and this is going to push people further to move more people into the United States. And, because they're going to be saying that, how are we going to make money in Canada when we're being taxed in every possible way here? Capital gains tax on your investments, your stocks, your real estate, everything is going to just drive people away. You're bashing the educated and the top quality Canadian employment population here that is top earners, and bashing them and basically trying to force them to get out of here. Instead of that, you should be investing in them and giving them more, a little bit more in support. You're pushing things down on them and making it harder, and it will incentivize people to not become successful or not become high-wage earners in this country. And that is going to depreciate the quality of our working and employment population. That is my opinion on that. The government is also phasing out some tax breaks on new business investment, a reversal of earlier measures that were meant to help firms compete with the USA by allowing quicker write-offs for certain assets. McKay suggested it's not an option for Canada, an export-driven nation of 41 million people, to have a tax regime that's on the same level as the United States, which has an economy more than 10 times larger and a population that equates to 330 million. When you're small and trying to compete with the big guys, you just can't match them, McKay said. The RBC executive also said it's important for Canadian policymakers and businesses to figure out what the United States needs from us and to be more responsive to its most important trading partner. That may include greater spending on defense and security and a more accommodating approach to developing natural resource projects quickly, as well as, in my opinion, attracting United States investment from capital firms there, as well as investment firms and individuals that are looking for places to invest. Canada can be a great place to invest in if the market here is friendly to the U.S. investors. A lot of money in the United States, and they want to invest in other places. Let's make Canada the place that they invest in. They need our resources. They need our critical minerals. McKay said, "The U.S. the U.S. needs less rhetoric from Canada and needs more stuff to get done." Essentially, what is he saying is that Canada is not helping out its greatest trading partner, the United States, and is lacking in several areas, such as in NATO spending. It has failed in the natural resource market as we've let Russia in, about natural gas. There has been an issue that after the Ukraine-Russia war, natural gas has been an issue in terms of that it's coming from Russia. So who is going to be an alternative partner that we're going to get the gas from? Canada has the resources. Canada had the capability of making a natural resource plant here, a refinery and extraction. But instead of doing that, Justin Trudeau said the business plan was, not viable, and it will take several years to get it done, and that's atypical of Justin Trudeau's rhetoric about business and the economy. Not only, one more thing is that we're not attracting investment from foreign countries, especially the United States. We're driving our own capital investment out from here. I can tell you, for a matter of fact, my own investments in stocks and whatnot, a lot of it goes into the American markets. I don't look too lucratively upon a lot of the stocks in the TSX, though there are great companies in the TSX and a lot of top earners there that can make you a lot of returns. It's just that the U.S. has more diversity in their choices, as well as more of an opportunity to make some quality returns. So I'd have to say I'd agree with RBC's Adam McKay. Sorry, let me get the name right. Dave McKay. Sorry, it's Adam McKay. I don't know. I get that from somewhere else, but his name is Dave McKay. RBC CEO Dave McKay. I'd have to agree with him. Many other people agree with him. Many investors in this country agree with him, and most of the business class who is seriously supporting the economy do agree with him as well. I'd have to say for sure on that. That is another analysis by the Econ Opinion. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share if you considered this video helpful to you in any way, how, and also consider subscribing. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day, night, or wherever you might be and are